Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be on how to change your appearance and your look in just a few little steps. This look clearly isn't something I would normally wear. I like girly, pink, peachy looks, but today I was feeling some different type of way. I even put on a black romper, which I never normally do. And I even put contacts on. I can't even remember the last time I did that. I use makeup to kind of like be a different person sometimes. And if you're like that, if you want to try new things, go for it. Who is this girl? Who is she? What is her name? Comment below. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything new. Alright, if you want to see me go from this to this, keep watching. To start off this look, I'm going to apply the Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. It's really nice on the skin. I just apply it with my hands all over the face because I want to make sure my makeup stays on. Next, I'll be using the Huda Beauty in Custard Faux Filtered Foundation. A little goes a long way and one pump covers my entire face. I love using the IT Cosmetics Complexion Perfection brush to blend this all in to make it look seamless and airbrushed. For concealer, I'll be using the Dior Forever Skin Correct. This is a very smooth and nice texture, which I love. Taking a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend this all in, especially under the eyes. For eyeshadow, I'll be using the Huda Beauty Nude Rich palette. I'm going to use this big fluffy brush and apply this base color all over. And then I'll be taking this sort of pinkish mauvish color and applying it just to the lids, and then darkening the outer corners with a darker purple color. One of the best waterline liners is the Marc Jacobs gel one. This one is my favorite. After this, I'll be using the Benefit Roller Liner and making my wing. Super easy because this tip is so fine. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply the Falsies Lashlift Mascara by Maybelline. This stuff really does lift the lashes. And then to top it off, I'm going to apply the Kiss lashes in Pixie. These are my go-tos. I love these ones. And guys, it's been a long time since I put false lashes on, so this is a big deal for me. I'm just going to touch up the outer corners with some dark shadow and then go into my bronzer, which is the Nars Laguna one. This is one of my favorites. I'm going to use the Morphe brush and just carve out my cheekbones. This is the perfect color for my cheeks. I feel like it's not too dark, not too light, and really contours really nicely. Following that, I'll be using the cream blush by Fenty in Summertime Wine. This is definitely a darker color, as you will see here. Whoa, big difference. But once you blend it in, it looks beautiful. To change up this makeup look, I'm definitely using a bit darker colors than I normally would, and that makes a huge difference. And then I'm just going to fan out my brush and contour my nose a little bit. And for the lips, I'll be using the Maybelline lip color called Taupe. This is creamy, it's smooth, and I love how it just goes on so nicely. This color is definitely a darker color than I would normally wear, but I am really feeling it. We're almost done, but wait, I have one more surprise. Colored contact lenses. These are going to totally change the way that I look. These are Soletica lenses and the color is Avela, and I'll put it in the description box below. And the other side. And here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like this look, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye for now.